Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing June's Look Fantastic. I'm super excited about this. I actually didn't look at any of the spoilers, so I have no idea what's in this box, so we'll find out together. Look Fantastic is a UK sub. It's once a month. The nice thing about it is you can sign up for a year and you can pay the how do I want to say this? You sign up for a year, but you don't pay for the whole year like you do with other subscriptions like BoxyCharms and FunFitFab. What you do is you sign up and you agree to pay, I think it's $20.50 a month. I signed up for the 6 months, so I paid $22. There's no shipping. I believe there's no taxes. All the boxes are the same, so it does ship out. I believe this time it shipped out the 3rd. I'm not exactly sure. It doesn't take very long to get here, but unfortunately mine actually has to go for a trip. Talked to Look Fantastic about this. I'm not sure what's going on, but it goes to a different town altogether, but a couple hours, and then it has to be rerouted back to me, so it does take me a couple extra days to get it. I'm hoping that Look Fantastic looks into it, but let's get to this month's box. I will tell you that Look Fantastic usually is mostly deluxe size samples. It's rarely full size, but it's a lot of skincare with just a tad bit of makeup, so it's kind of nice that way. The boxes I absolutely love. This one is, I think, a map, and then this inside the lid, it does say travel makes us all storytellers. I love this box. I think it's really pretty. It comes with a magazine, and it does have a sneak peek for next month on there, which is the Elemis Hydro Balance Day Cream. Now, I've tried a few things from Elemis, but I would like to try this. It comes with, I believe what they say is a mini copy of the L magazine. There's no samples or anything in it, but it has a lot of the other things, and that's always nice to have. They always wrap these so beautifully. Let's rip this open and see what's inside. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing I see is Core's Chamomile Softening Soap. Okay, so I don't usually use soap, but I will definitely be trying this. A glycerin-based mild cleansing soap for face and body. Chamomile extract is known for its emollient soothing properties, while almond oil conditions the skin, has moisturizing properties. So that's one item. So the next item I see is Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray Salt Spray. Now, I don't know if it's dust or what. This is extremely small, as you can see. I believe it doesn't even say the size of it. Sorry, let's see if I can get so it is absolutely tiny. I don't usually use it because my hair is not naturally curly. It just has no curl to it. It just falls flat. My daughter's hair has this beautiful wave to it, so I will give it to her. The next thing I see is SVR Laboratories hyaluronic acid with omegas 3, 6, and 9. Irritated eyelids and anti-itching soothing cream. Ooh. I'm just looking for the English here. To irritated eye contours, 24-hour hydrations immediately soothes and lastingly relieves itching, curbs the appearance of irritation, smooth cream texture, long-lasting comfort. Well, that's interesting. I'm one of those people that gets everything into my eyes. I, like take off my mascara and my eyeshadow with a nice eye cream that's usually non-irritant, and I always get it in my eyes. I'm not sure why, but leave it to me. I wonder if this would be, if you could use this for like other things. It's very moisturizing. I am very excited to use that. That does look like it would be a full-size eye cream. So that's interesting. So the next thing I see here is no panic. If it turns red, it works. Add moisturizer after. Peeling mask. Okay, so... Doesn't really say a whole lot. I'm hoping that the magazine has a little bit more. So it's a little tube. It has a smell to it. I can't really figure out what it is now. I have been doing peeling masks lately, so I'm kind of excited to try that one. And let's see. Oh, there's 2 more things in here. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I thought you mostly only get 5. So this is BioEffect EGF serum for improved appearance of skin. So it's super tiny. Super tiny. These are considered deluxe samples usually, but these are a little bit more money. These are higher end products, so I do like the little bottle. I mean, that's perfect to fill up and use again for different samples when you go traveling. Laboratories Florida Lift Structure Ultra Lifting Cream. Ooh. So there's that. So I think that is it. It's such a huge box for such tiny things. So I want to see if now this does not give you the prices. So I just want to see what this. Okay, so here it is here. Okay, so the peeling mask says that due to the concentration of AHAs, this mask should tingle upon application. This means it's working. We suggest using this in the evening for best results. So the BioEffect EGM serum, it gives a new lease on life and serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand BioEffect, using a plant-based replica of EGF, a naturally occurring human protein. This serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, while boosting radiance. Quick absorbing, the serum deeply moisturizes and rehydrates. 100% vegan. This mask delivers results under 10 minutes. Okay, so it says 2 to 4 drops over clean and dry skin on the face, neck, patting gently until fully absorbed. Small amount goes a long way with this powerful serum. We suggest using a pea-sized amount for the best results. Let's see here. So Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray or Go Big Spray. So there is 2. I kind of wish I got the Go Big Spray. And oh, it does give you the prices this time. Okay, so this is worth $15. And these are all UK prices, so it should be about $22. Right there is the price of the box. The mask is $11.10, so it's about $15 roughly. This is just roughly in my head. The Bio serum is worth 25 pounds or euros. I'm not exactly sure. I apologize now. I don't mean to offend anyone there. I do not know what your currency is. So it's about 35, almost maybe $40. Ouch. This is more than the price of the bottle. I'll be using that for sure. The Style and Surf was $2.40, so not even $5 for something like this. The Florida lifting structure is $9.10, so maybe about $12, $13. So this is integrated as part of a daily facial massage routine to reduce puffiness or inflamed skin. And this is full size, of course, and it's worth £5, €5, which is $8-9 roughly, which is really expensive. So, but it is core. So, I mean, the price is there, the value is there. They are tiny items, but with it being said, when you have better price, better quality items, you don't need as much. So the only thing that's a bit of a miss is this. Otherwise, this is a perfect box for me. There's no makeup in it, which is really weird, right? But hey, I'm not going to complain. I do like the size of the most of the items. I'm excited to try this. So, oh, and don't forget this, the full-size item. So there is one full-size item there. So there is Look Fantastic. There is a link below to sign up for the Look Fantastic box. If you do sign up right now, you will get this box. So if you definitely think it's worth it, go ahead. I love Look Fantastic. They're one of the better boxes out there. I have to agree. And this box is a bang on for me. And there's no makeup in it, which is not so bad. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing my BoxyLuxe, which I just got, and I'm excited. And if you don't mind subscribing, liking, and sharing, please leave a comment on what you would be interested in trying. If you like this box, if you think it's worth the money, and let me know. Thanks for watching.